Sanibonani and welcome to Wisdom X Magaziwe. Imina ke ingane yamakhehla amadala, amakhehla amakhulu, amakhehla amahle. If you're watching for the first time, siyakwamukela. We are all about sharing wisdom, healing, and sharing light for the world to become better. Namuhla, ngifuna ukukhuluma ney'ngane zesithunywa. And I think iy'ngane zesithunywa can relate to whatever that I'm about to teach today. God is asking me to forgive. God is asking me to forgive first. Because of God has been showing me things that have happened in my life. Meaning, that had happened in the past. And He has shown me enemies from the past. He has shown me things that were supposed to happen in the past. Kuthi nazi izinto bengibeke lezo nazi izinto bekumele ukuthi zenzakale ngaphezulu kwesimo sempilo yami. Namhlanje ngimila ngimikhona kungumusa wakhe kungukuthanda kwakhe. So God today is saying, xolela magaziwe, forgive. I want you to forgive. Uxolele obaziyo, uxolele ongabazi. Ngoba zikhona izitho zazi, zikhona izitho ongazazi. The people in your family, there are people in your friend circles, the people at work, at school, everywhere in your journey nje kukhona abantu oke wahlangabezana nabo. Azange niphathane kahle or azange bakuphatha kahle, and kukhona ongabazi. Abebe bakuphatha kabi, abebe bakwenzwa ububi. But little did they know that you're very special. And uthunyiwe la emhlabeni awuzanga nje mahala uzoyenza umsebenzi bese ke uyandlula. Kodwa inkosi ithini kumina namhlanje? Xolela, forgive first, bakhulule, because of as you step into your power, as uthatha amandla fully, as you fully open your heart, as you fully accept lamandla uwamkela ke manje akuyehlela, because of it is time sekuyisikhathi sokuthi lamandla uwathathe. And I'm speaking directly to the people abalwisana nezitha zasekhaya. You'll get to a point where amaZulu will come back to you and report that isitha sinqotshiwe isitha. But as sinqotshiwe, you will have to forgive, even though that person was doing the pits, wrong, but you will have to forgive. And trust you me, you will forgive. You will forgive, because inkosi zobe seyikubonisile impilo yakho, inkosi zobe seyikunikeza izibusiso zakho. Kodwa into ebalekile ngokuxolela uyingane yesithunywa is that lamandla mawakhuphuka, lamandla othwesa wona mawakhuphuka, ngoba mawuyingane yesithunywa you evolve, you grow every now and again. Unayo ingilosi, uyakhuleka, angeke ihlale ingilosi incane. As you grow, nayo iyakhula. And lo bunzima ohlangabezana nabo njengoba uyingane yesithunywa, that struggle, those challenges, those difficulties are meant to make you strong, so that you realize lamandla othwese wona. Ngoba ke manje sinqobile kuthiwa namandla yaphakama, nayo ingilosi iyandlondlobala. Kodwa njengoba isindlondlobala, xolela magaziwe, xolela magaziwe, ngoba lamandla ke manje ozobe uthwese wona, uma ungaxoleli uphiwa amandla uyolimaza abantu. Akumelanga uthi uyingane yesithunywa bese uba nenhliziyo exokozelayo. Yingakho mawukhula inkosi zigijima, yingakho mawusebunzimeni umemeza inkosi ikulekelela ikusiza, ngoba iyakwazi ukuthi amandla othweswa wona uyokhuluma ngokuthukuthela, uyokhuluma nge-anger and people bayolimala. So ngiyacela ingane zesithunywa, ake sixoleni bantu, ake sixoleni, ake sibaxoleleni, nathi sixolele bese siba bahle, bese siyaqhubeka nempilo, singayitholi singababenzi bobubi ngoba ongenxa yeinhliziyo zethu ezingafuni ukuxola. Awukwazi ukuba ingane yesithunywa bese ungaxoli. Yebo, ubulwisa isitha sasekhaya, ubusilwisa lesi sitha, sinigilile lesi sitha, sinixovile lesi sitha, kepha xola, ithole leyo ndawo, uxole undlulise, ngoba uma ungandlulisi kuyosala nawe. Kodwa into enhle ngamaZulu is that they will show you everything. I've experienced the love of amaZulu. I know God and I know his ways. I know what he has done for me and I know what he's still doing for me. And kunezinye izinto ezishokayo, like I said earlier on, ukuthi there are things that he has shown me and I wasn't even aware of them. But when I realize now, I'm like, oh, Nkosi, thank you. Bengingaboni kanti wena ububona, and wena la bengingabhekanga khona ubungivikeli. Oh Nkosi, ngiyabonga. So I'm speaking to zonke iy'ngane zesithunywa la ngaphandle ukuthi uvikelwe. You are protected. Your purpose is greater. Your purpose is bigger. uNkulunkulu ufuna ukuthi uwenze wonke umsebenzi wakhe akuthumile ukuthi uzowenza. Xela kuyena, hlala kuyena, but most importantly, zinzima into esidlula kuzona, kodwa kuzomela ukuthi sixole. Uma singaxoli, we are just going to be toxic. Siyingane zesithunywa, we are just going to be dangerous because of iy'ngane zesithunywa la ngaphandle zithweswe amandla amakhulu, amandla angaphendula guqulwe uwenziwe umuntu omubi. Ngoba sometimes mawulisana nomuntu akwenza akugele igoda, akuyenza into embi, bese nawe uhlala kuleyo nto embi, you stay in that dark space, and that person has won because of ukushintshile nawe. Instead of doing good, instead of forgiving and moving on and focusing on what God has given you, you are still dwelling on the bad things that the person has done. But uNkulunkulu uyakubonisa at the same time ukuthi akaphumelelanga, unqobile actually. So ayikho into emnandi nento enhle ngokuthi uthole ukuthi unqobile. You've won. So whoever was just trying to mess me up, whoever is my enemy, akakhohlwe. Khohlwa, chitha konke, chitha. Ngoba umuzama mina uyokhathala, uyongizama ude uzamule, uyothi konene ngemzama. Yes, inkosazana yamaZulu. So ngiyanicela ingane zesithunywa, everyone out there, xolela. To everyone out there, forgive. When you forgive, you allow yourself to have peace, you allow good energy, and you allow your blessings to meet you every day. Xolela and move on. And when you have forgiven the person or whatever, just move away from those people. It does not necessarily mean that you have to reconnect with them, but forgive. More importantly, ngane yesithunywa, forgive. Ungaze uhlekeleza abantu, ungazubulala abantu, ngoba amandla awuthweswe wona makhulu, angawenza umonakalo omkhulu. Because when we pray with anger, we mess things. Siyamosha. Like I said, those situations are meant for when you are fighting oh serious Goliath, but kunabanye nje obabonayo ukuthi amanzi wezitsha lawo. Ndlulisa iba umuntu ondlulisayo ngaso sonke isikhathi. Ngiyanibonga kanti futhi ngiyanithanda. Akube ubumbano nozwano nothando ngaphakathi kwamakhaya wenu. Mwa.